User joined your channel.
What up, dude? You recording? I was PvPing with Yolan and Orange, but I just logged out. PvPing by yourself is more fun, especially because you're more focused and like you just do better. Yeah, true. Even, I mean, like, I'm PvPing with them and I'm not like talking trash or anything, but like, apparently they don't want to like kill people on site or something. Or Orange does, but like Yolan's like, I'm tired of killing people on site. I want to be a hero. And I'm like, dude, we're on a 40 out of 40 server. I'm like, I'm not gonna be a hero. Are you gonna post that? You killing everyone on YouTube? Are you gonna post that video on YouTube? Yeah, so you're not really recording for PvP. You're gonna record until you can do that thing to someone. It's actually pretty smart. What recording device do you use again? Shadowplay? I'm gonna download that. And then if you hit like F10, it brings back the last 5 minutes of something you're recording. Alright, bro, I'll be right back. Message me if you need me.
User left your channel.